Although one may choose a different path for his or her Memorization Professional projects on a single computer, the ability to set the path for users and their projects is available in MemPro primarily for schools and churches where there are multiple computers or clients with multiple users. In such cases, there would be a server or a single computer acting as a server for the other clients. The server would hold all the data for both users and their projects. Basically, Memorization Professional is first installed on the server and is run, and the path is changed to a directory on the server that all clients have access to. Then the program is installed on each machine and their paths are directed to that folder on the server. There may be some servers where the default directory on the server may be selected directly from the clients, and so the path would not need to be changed on the server but only on the clients. Here you see this default directory within the program data directory. It would be similar on a server. But for some systems, this directory may not be accessible regardless of the permissions. So if the default directory is not accessible by the clients, you need to first create a folder on the server called MemPro, open that folder and create a subfolder named User Data. Please capitalize the first letters. The reason to name it MemPro is so not to confuse it with the default root directory named Memorization Professional. Next, you will need to share this folder with all the clients. The way to accomplish this varies from one machine to another. You will need to look up how to share files and folders over the network. The end result is to give the clients both read and write privileges, but not full control. Once you have set the permissions, install and run Memorization Professional on the server. Please see the video installing and updating Memorization Professional. If you did not select the Use User Passwords option, then open up User Selection from the main menu, select Password Reset. Then click on Yes when the password option appears. Do this also on all the clients, and you must use the same admin password on all the clients. At the bottom of the main window, select Set Projects Path. A dialog will open for you to enter the admin password. After entering the password, a confirmation dialog will appear asking if you want to change the data path. Select Yes. Another dialog appears where you can select Use Default Data Path or select path ending with User Data. Click on B, Select Path Ending with User Data. A confirmation dialog appears letting you know that the target directory, the folder that you select, must be empty of any other folders or files to be able to copy over the folders. This is why this must be done on the server first and not the clients. This prevents the data on the clients from overriding the data on the server. Select Yes. A folder browser opens. Navigate and click on the folder you named MemPro, and then click on its subfolder you named User Data. Once this is done, the path is changed, and the target folder, being empty, gets a complete copy of all projects and users from MemPro's default directory on the server. A message appears letting you know that MemPro must exit in order to apply the changes. Now all you need to do after installing MemPro on the clients and making sure that password usage has been set up is to select Set Projects Path from their main menu and browse to the same folder located on the server. After all clients have been directed to the server, any user may from any client access their projects on the server via their username. But note that the administrator must first add the usernames either all at one time or as needed. When a user selects their name for the first time, they will need to enter a password and verify it. Admin has access to all users via the admin password. The Change Paths utility can also be used to redirect back to the default directory, but no folders and files are copied back. This gives a user on a single machine the option of having two complete user data directories if a multitude of various project creations and importing is foreseen. And that's how projects' paths are changed. Thank you for using Memorization Professional.